Got green tomatoes? Don't let them go to waste. These unripe gems can be transformed into a variety of delicious dishes that will surprise and delight your taste buds. Green tomatoes are often overlooked, but they hold a world of culinary potential. From savory to sweet, there's no limit to what you can create with these vibrant fruits. No worries, we've got you covered with these fantastic recipes. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, these ideas will inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Cooking with green tomatoes can be a fun and rewarding experience, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. First up, green tomato chutney. This versatile condiment is a must-try. It's a perfect blend of sweet and tangy flavors that can elevate any dish. Whether you're looking to add a new twist to your meals or simply want to try something different, green tomato chutney is the way to go. Sweet, tangy, and perfect for sandwiches or a cheese platter. Imagine spreading this chutney on a crusty piece of bread or pairing it with your favorite cheeses. It's a game changer. The rich, complex flavors of the chutney complement a wide range of foods, making it a versatile addition to your culinary repertoire. Just toss your tomatoes with some onions, spices, and a splash of vinegar. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your palate. The process is simple, yet the results are extraordinary. You'll be amazed at how these basic ingredients come together to create something truly special. Simmer until it smells irresistible. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait until it's ready. The slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld and intensify, resulting in a chutney that's rich, flavorful, and utterly delicious. Next, how about a hearty green tomato dinner? These recipes are perfect for those nights when you want something comforting and satisfying. Green tomatoes can be the star of your meal, providing a unique and delicious twist on traditional dishes. Slice them up, coat in breadcrumbs, and fry till golden. The crispy exterior and tender interior make for a delightful contrast in textures. Fried green tomatoes are a classic southern dish that's loved by many, and for good reason. They're easy to make and incredibly tasty. Serve with a dollop of sour cream or your favorite dip. Easy peasy. This dish is sure to become a family favorite. The combination of the crispy tomatoes and the creamy dip is simply irresistible. It's a dish that's sure to please even the pickiest eaters. And for the spice lovers, green tomato hot sauce. This fiery condiment will add a kick to any meal. If you love a bit of heat in your food, this hot sauce is a must-try. It's bold, flavorful, and packs a punch. Blend those tomatoes with garlic, chilies, and a squeeze of lime. The combination of these ingredients creates a vibrant and zesty sauce. The freshness of the tomatoes, the heat of the chilies, and the tanginess of the lime come together to create a sauce that's bursting with flavor. A fiery kick that will jazz up any meal. Drizzle it on tacos, eggs, or even pizza for an extra burst of flavor. This hot sauce is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. It's a great way to add some excitement to your meals. 3 recipes, 1-star ingredient. Green tomatoes are more versatile than you might think. From chutney to fried slices to hot sauce, there's something for everyone. These recipes showcase the incredible versatility of green tomatoes and demonstrate just how delicious they can be. Who knew green tomatoes could be so versatile and delicious? From chutney to fried slices to hot sauce, there's something for everyone. These recipes are just the beginning. Once you start experimenting with green tomatoes, you'll discover even more ways to enjoy them. Give them a try and level up your kitchen game. You'll be amazed at how these simple recipes can transform your meals and impress your family and friends. Green tomatoes are a hidden gem in the culinary world, and with these recipes you'll be able to unlock their full potential. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy the delicious possibilities that green tomatoes have to offer.